How to add backgrounds in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and make sure you are on the edit page. Go to the effects library on the top left and click on generators under the toolbox section. Here, you'll find options like solid color, faux color gradient, and more. Drag the solid color generator into your timeline where you want the background to appear. Next, select the solid color clip and open the inspector panel. You can now change the color and adjust the size or position if needed. If you prefer an image or a video as a background, go to the media pool, import your desired background file, and drag it onto the timeline. Make sure to place it on the track below your main clip so the background stays behind your content. To make the subject stand out, select your main clip and go to the inspector. Under the transform section, you can resize and reposition your subject to fit nicely with the background you added. And that's it. Now you know how to add backgrounds in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.